On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money writing online. This is one of the best work from home jobs that you can do to earn money from home, because writing does not require you to be in an office. You can write at any place that is comfortable to you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see on your screen, this is the website that we are going to be talking about today, writerbay.com. This website pays you up to $1,400 per 10 pages that you write. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. So as you can see right here, you have to just enter your details so that you can get access to the website. You can see these are the top writers for the last 30 days. You can see these are the amount that they've earned. When you come to the benefits, you can see no registration fee and a free lifetime membership. You are not required to pay anything before you join this website. You can see wide variety of interesting projects and assignments. So you are going to be getting a lot of different projects to complete so that you can be earning money on the website. You can see they have a lot of different benefits that you can enjoy as a member of the website. You can see they have writer support teams. If you join the website, they are going to help you improve on your skills. As you can see, you can work on this website on full-time or part-time basis, as you can see it right here. So it depends on your availability. If you want to work full-time, you can do so. If you want part-time, you can do so. You can see the minimum requirement is that you have to have a bachelor's degree before you can join this website. If you don't have any degree, I will still show you later in this video how to make money on this website even if you have no degree. So as you can see the requirement right here. As I scroll, you can see these are the areas that you are going to be writing about. You can write about accounting, advertising, economics, geography, geology, management, psychology, religious studies, marketing, mathematics, sports. You have statistics, technology, and the rest. So whatever that you can write about, you can just join the website so that you can be writing articles on that field so that you'll be paid anytime you write. When you scroll down, you can see these are the top jobs available within the 24 hours. You can see they need people who can write about astronomy, business, economics, environmental studies, geography, law, linguistics, mathematics, sport, tourism. So if you have knowledge in these fields, you can be employed within the next 24 hours. As you can see, they have stated it right here. Right now, I'm going to show you the payment methods that you can use to receive your money. When you come here, you can see you can receive your payment through web money. If you don't have a web money account, you can be paid through Hyper Wallet. As I scroll, you can see you can receive your payment through your Payoneer accounts. You can see both Global Bank Transfer or Payoneer Prepaid MasterCard. If you have that, you can receive your payment. As I scroll, you can see if you are an advanced writer, you are going to be earning $1,402.05 per 10 pages. You can see it right here. As you can see, as a regular writer, you are going to be earning $1,275 per 10 pages. When you come to Light Pro Writer, you are going to be earning $1,612.50. As a Pro Writer, you are going to be earning $2,016 per 10 pages, as you can see it right here. So this is one of the best websites that you can use to make money as a content writer. So assuming you don't have any skill but you still want to make money on this website, you can join their affiliate program so that you can be paid anytime you refer people to this particular website. So let me come to the referral right here. As you can see right here, grow your income at WriterBay with referral program. Who wouldn't be interested in earning extra with a small effort? WriterBay.com provides excellent opportunities to reveal and improve your writing skills. However, if you have a little time for academic research, there is one more thing we are ready to offer: our affiliate program. Our company keeps growing and we constantly need freelance writing professionals who can write high quality papers. If you have friends or relatives who are skilled writers with deep knowledge in one or another field of expertise, you are welcome to invite them to our friendly team. They need to have a good internet connection in a laptop or PC for productivity work. So if you invite them, these are the requirements. They have to have a laptop before they can join this website. You can see In order to participate in our referral program, you simply need to have an active account at our website by register here. So you can register here. You can see the benefit of referring people right here. Get 3% for each order completed by your referral. So anytime you refer people to this website, if they earn any amount, you are going to be paid 3% of their earnings. So this is a very simple way that you can use to earn money on this website. This website, sometimes they stop hiring, sometimes they hire. So they are not hiring every day. Sometimes they stop the hiring because they get a lot of applications every day. So what you have to do is that you have to act fast so that you can get accepted onto the website, so that you can be earning money on the website. If your application is rejected by writerbay.com, just come to this website, writedom.com. This website too, they pay you to write articles. You can see start earning today. You are one step closer to be part of our team. You can see the earning of the top writers here. You can see this one right here. They use numbers to identify the writers. They don't want to put their names right here. You can see in the last 30 days, the top writer on this website earned $4,190. The second person earned $3,817. So this is one of the websites that you can apply to start earning money as a content writer. You can see what you have to do is that just click here, join us, so that you can fill the form. Once you fill the form, you are going to write a short prompt within 20 minutes. Once you write it, just submit it. Once you submit, you can see our managers will check your application and get back to you if you match our company requirements. So if you match the company requirement, you are going to be accepted so that you can be earning money as a content writer on this website. As you can see right now, they need people who can write about life science, nursing and medicine, mathematics, computer science, chemistry, accounting and finance. We have engineering, statistics. These are the fields that they currently need writers for. So what you have to do is that just sign up for an account so that you can be employed as a writer on this website. When you come here, you can see they have freelance academic writing jobs. They have get paid for content writing. You can see write from home online. So these are some of the options that you can choose. So let me just click on get paid for content writing. You can see a lot of different things. So just visit the website so that you can read more about their requirement. Once you meet the requirement, you can just click here, register now, so that you can sign up for your accounts and you are going to be earning money as a writer on this website. So what you have to do is that you have to apply for both websites. Any of them that accept you, you can be writing on that website for you to earn money from home as a content writer. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.